guys, Master One is back. Today I'm having a big feast on Bucky's again. As you know, Bucee is my favorite gas station and fast food to go to, And what I have here, I have a fried chicken sandwich. This is actually the first time I see it in Bucky's, so I want to give it a try. Based on the appearance, it looks alright, not super attractive. And it's $4.99. That's all, just gonna give it a try. And also I have this hippo burritos. I think it has like egg, potato, bacon, cheese, and some green sauce in it. I have some beaver potato tarts, and also this is my favorite breakfast item, the brisket taco. We waited so long for this because everybody's like waiting in line just for the brisket taco. We waited for like about 20 minutes for it. So, and also to drink, I have Bucky's coffee. Also in here, I have a X large mango green tea with ice. So, without further ado, let me start. I also bought a hot sauce from Bucky's. This is the Taco Reaper. Never had it before, so I'll just want to give it a try. I'm gonna put some of that on my taco, but let me first take a bite of the fried chicken sandwich. Let me open it up, see what it has inside. Well, looks pretty typical, a fried chicken breast patty with some pickles. Here we go. It's alright. It is good. I don't mind eating it anytime. But for $5, I think they're better tasting chicken sandwich. But I mean, it's not bad. But I have a small cup of barbecue sauce. I'm gonna use it for the brisket taco, but I'm gonna dip the potato tarts in it too. sits just the way I like it. Perfect. Next, I'm gonna try some hippo taco with a taco sauce. Let's see what's going on. Oh shit. It's not as sticky as the salt is. It's more liquidy than I thought. You know. Let's see. Alright guys. Cheers. Oh, it has beans inside, refreshed beans inside too. Very comforting food. I received the letter from IRS sometime at the end of last year. They said I owe them tax. You know, it's regarding to my tax return back in 2018. So they said you have an unreported income of $321,000, and so based on that, you owe us $113,687, and there is since you did not report this income, there is $22,737 of penalty. And plus, since you did not report this income, you owe us money. That's our money. And you have to pay interest on that for the past, like 3 years almost. So that's $10,917. Add all of them together, that's $147,341 that you owe us. And it's kind of funny, like on the end, it was like, what type of payment would you like to use to pay us this money? Would you like to send a check or like bank transfer or whatever? When I saw that letter, my first reaction was like, motherfucker, I don't even worth $147,000 myself. Might as well just fucking sell me. But I mean, of course, that's a mistake. I mean, I'm a drug dealer, yes. You know, drug dealer makes a good amount of money. But not in the fucking sense that your income tax is $147,000. Let me try this brisket taco. This is my favorite breakfast item from Bucee. It is so good, guys. not a big burrito. I mean, it's not a big taco, and it's like $4.20 something, but it's damn worth it. Did I call this the hippo burrito earlier? My bad. It's actually called the hippo taco. Hippo taco. Yeah. No burritos in here. It's all just tacos. Burritos gonna be much bigger. But this is very good. So what really happened with this was, I bought a house back in 2018, and the house was like $287,000 around that, and I paid in cash for that. However, some shenanigans happened shortly after I bought the house. Nothing related with the house. The house is good. I'll probably make another video on that topic. That's gonna be kind of complicated to say in like 10 minutes and stuff like that. But so after the shenanigans, I sold the house. Only like 2 months, 3 months after I closed it. So the selling price, I think it was like 321,000, as it was like recorded on there. And the reason why it increased the price, because I did like a lot of upgrading on the house in 3 months. I changed all the carpets in the house into hardwood floor, and I repainted the wall and did something else. When you buy the house, you have like there's all the other extra cost, like you gotta pay like a real estate agent fee, you gotta pay the title fees, all the closing costs is like $10,000 shit. And when I sold the house, I included a lot of appliances in there because I don't want to move it around. I have no other place to hold the appliances. And all the fucking appliances, I bought a brand new washer and dryers, refrigerator, and fucking like, I remember I bought that shit in like Best Buy. It was like 2,800 something like that, brand new microwaves, and like a sofa and the bed, everything is fucking brand new. Like the bed is like a full bedroom set. Bought it from like a local independent furniture store. That whole set is like $4,500, all of that. But since I want to sell the house quick, and I have no fucking room to store all that, furniture and appliances. So I was like, you know what? I'll include everything in the house, as a package deal, and the buyer accepted. So that's why the price is higher than the purchase price. But still, if you added everything that I spent, I lost like $20,000 something after I sold the house. And of course, when you sell the house, you have to pay a whole bunch of fees too, like the title fee. I don't know, like what did I, when I close the house? Yeah, I have to transfer the titles. I think the buyer pays the titles, but there's like other fees related, and you have to pay the realtor again. file the tax return, I thought that since I end up losing money on the house, I don't have to list it again, because I think listing it was like there's more steps you have to do. You have to put in all the numbers. Like that takes too much time, and I don't even want to go back and then find all the details on that. So I was like, you know what, since I end up losing money, I didn't make any profit, so why should I even, pay any tax on that? Well, that's not what you're supposed to do. Learned it the hard way, I guess. Because if even you did not list it under your tax return, the other party will list it, and the title company is gonna list it. So I guess the IRS got the reports from other parties, and they don't see the same reflection from me. They were like, oh, you must be hiding something from me. So that's why they claim that I owe them, $147,000 on tax, because I have this, hidden $321,000 income out of nowhere. Like, come on, you think the house just dropped like from the sky? I mean, I sold it, yeah, but I have to get it like from somewhere, right? I didn't get it for free. So after I received the letter, I have to, file a claim, basically provide them with all the evidence. I have to dig through the old file, find all the money that I spent on upgrading the house and other stuff. And actually, it says 321 something, but when we get the check, it was only like a 290 something. So it wasn't even all that much after all the fees and the realtor, monies that you have to pay. So I submit all the evidence to the IRS, and yeah, this year around like I think May, or no, I think it's April. Yeah, around April, they finally returned the letter. It's like, oh yeah, your case is dismissed. You're good. You don't owe us money anymore. First time when I received the letter, I was panicking a little bit because I have no experience. I never got audited before, so I was like thinking about all the worst scenarios. Like, what if I cannot prove my innocence? Should I transfer all my money and just pack up and leave? Maybe go to like a third world country. See, all this audit, they're doing it automatically from the computer. So it's not like a human being actually review each case and then send you like the computer trying to match the number, and if something doesn't match, they'll automatically send you an audit form once you prove why it's not matching up. And then after you submit your evidence and proofs, then there is an actual person review your case. Guys, don't be like me. If you want to avoid tax, you gotta do it the proper way. Like what Donald Trump does. He never pay a fucking cent for tax. Like most of the millionaire, billionaires does, I have 2 more of those brisket tacos. I'm gonna enjoy it later. Yeah, a lot of people waiting in line just for the brisket taco. When the Bucee employee finally bring the brisket taco out, everybody just fucking going in all at once, grabbing it. Just like how they fight for the toilet paper last year. I think that's about